So what we're going to do now is duplicate this track, right click, duplicate track, go back onto this area here, right click again, and change the track color. Now we can see there are two different tracks. Select this track so that it's white, not grey. And we're going to change the kit. Before we do, let's solo this new red track. Click on this area here where it says 808 kit. We've got drum kits and we've got pad kits for now. We're going to go right to the top to Afro-Cuban percussion. What this means is that this beat that we created here in an 808 kit is now going to be played in an Afro-Cuban percussion kit. So let's rewind and play. Let's try another experiment. We have loads to choose from. Let's try a cinematic kit. Rewind. And every time we change, it gives the drum beat a different feel. So it's worth experimenting. And finding what you like. To develop it further, what we might do is right click and duplicate track once more. Let's just move this out of the way for a minute. Let's change color so we don't get confused. Let's make this purple. And let's try pad kits, dubstep.
We're muting the other two tracks so that we can just hear the dubstep track.
Rewind, play. And sometimes we can come across really interesting and unexpected changes that we may like. Let's take this one step further. We'll bring in all the kits, but rather than play them all at once, let's try taking out by clicking on sections and pressing the delete button. Delete. I could do this on the QWERTY keyboard by pressing the delete button or the backspace button. That's a much quicker way, so we'll just have one at a time. And you can see what's happening. So I'm making sure that there is only one element playing. Let's rewind and have a listen. Well, that sounds a little odd, but with work we could really get some interesting effects, some great variations on the same beat. It's all about experimenting, trying things out. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We can always press save at any time, and it's a really good idea to save your work every minute or so that you've got revisions to go back to if you're not happy with what you've just done.
On the next, we're going to add effects onto our drum beat.